This 2024 Winnebago Minnie 2326RB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Turlock, California, 95382 and is offered for sale by Best RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 26 feet 0 inches in length and features a Cobalt interior, sleeps 4, Slideout, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.